Need to remove all images from a Word document? Whether you're preparing a text-only version, reducing file size, or cleaning up imported content, deleting pictures one by one can be tedious. In this video, we'll show you two methods, using Microsoft Word's built-in tools and using Kutools for Word. Method 1. Remove pictures with Microsoft Word. Word doesn't provide a dedicated Remove All Pictures feature, but you can use Find and Replace to delete every image in the document. Press Ctrl and H keys to open the Find and Replace dialog. In the Find What box, type $G. This special code represents all graphics and pictures in the document. Leave the Replace with box empty. Click Replace All. Click Yes and OK. Close the Find and Replace dialog. Word will immediately remove all pictures from the document, except this one, as this picture's layout is set to square. One important limitation, this method only works for pictures whose layout is set to in line with text. Images using other wrapping styles, such as square, behind text, or in front of text, will not be removed. That's where Kutools for Word becomes more convenient, allowing you to remove all pictures within a selected range regardless of their position in the rest of the document. Method 2. Remove all pictures in a selected range with Kutools for Word. If you only want to remove pictures from part of a document, Kutools for Word offers a much more flexible solution. Step 1. Download and install Kutools for Word. Open Word, and select the range you want to remove pictures from. Go to Kutools. Click Remove all pictures in selected range. Kutools instantly deletes all pictures within the selected area while keeping the rest of the document unchanged. If you want to remove all pictures in the document, place the cursor anywhere in the document without selecting anything. Apply Remove all pictures in selected range. All pictures have been removed. No manual selection. Download Kutools for Word today and enjoy a 30-day free trial with access to over 100 powerful Word productivity tools.